Hi everybody, I'm Blayne Tyler for Finding Sasquatch, coming again from northeastern Ontario. Okay, good news, bad news. Good news first. A week or so ago, I mentioned in a video, I think it was about the PGF, just an anniversary thing, that sometimes I can hear them breathing, sometimes I can smell them. Okay, so I was out the other day and I went into this rudimentary kind of structure. I didn't think it would be used because it didn't have much cover, but while I was in there, this creature started running around, and I could hear it kind of breathing, snorting or something. It wasn't really snorting like a deer, and I didn't want to jump to conclusions and say it wasn't a deer, but I seen it pop up, or something pop up, and it was black hair, and then at another area to the right, I seen like a dark charcoal gray shape, which could have been the same shape, but just in the sun. Um, but again, I didn't want to just jump to conclusions because I've had deer get all territorial, snort, and then like race around and everything. But then you can see them. This thing was purposely hiding and peeking. So that's the good news. The bad news is something happened to my camera, um, my 1080. It won't come on. It's dead. It's not the battery because it still charges. So I don't know if it's just a flex cable or what, but at the end, I'm going to provide a link to a PayPal me, Blayne Tyler. If you want to help me out, that'd be great. I don't sell things, I don't run ads, but the new cameras, the 4K cameras, with an audio Bluetooth kind of thing that I can do so you can hear me, I'm going to try to upgrade to, but it's way out of my league as far as financing. And if you want to make a donation to help me out so I can continue to post real field research videos, then I appreciate it. Okay, so on with the vid. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the still shot from the video. When I was filming, the camera was lower than my line of sight, my eyes. And first of all, there's something brownish in that yellow circle just top upper left. I didn't notice that until I looked at a bigger still. But the black circle is where the black shape popped up and did a quick peek or something over that mound back there. And the red circle, which I should have made bigger, down in that area down there, which I don't know if these are going to show up on the video. I was looking for it so I could point them out, but the camera was lower than my line of sight. I had it on like kind of like a handheld little tiny monopod thing, like a radar gun, and that's where I seen a dark gray charcoal shape kind of dash out, then run back in towards the black circle area. So here's the video.
Okay, this is probably natural, but what a great little base structure to work with if you want to put branches around it over the V. I would use that. Gather up branches, stack them up. Might not be so good in the winter, but for something big, could fit in there. There's a hydro kit over that way. Just seeing if anything's been living in here. Ground is patted down a bit. It's a seen something black moving over there. Shit, I don't have any bear spray. I don't have my knife with me. They're just right over the hill there. See that? That's definitely a shotgun. Is that just a deer or something snorting? It looked black. And it gonna look gray. Okay, so I'm gonna continue that way. Strange when I started hearing it once I went into that little structure thing. Is it duck hunting season? Okay, I'm gonna back up and go to the next clearing. Okay, so that shelter thing's over there. And then down in here, something was running around making, I don't know, snorting sounds or something in this little gully area. Seen it twice. Might have been just a deer prancing around, I guess. I don't know. Sounded off though for a deer, but anyway, it came up there a little bit, and I caught a couple glimpses as it was kind of prancing around in here, and then it buggered off that way. Okay, this is probably natural, but what a great little base structure to work with if you want to put branches around it. over the V. I would use that. Gather up branches, stack them up. Might not be so good in the winter, but for something big, could fit in there. The hydro pit over that way. Just seeing if anything's been living in here. The ground is patted down a bit. Deer. I seen something black moving over there. Shit, I don't have any bear spray. I don't have my knife with me. It's just right over the hill there.
Right, so pretty cool. Big creature breathing and snorting, probably trying to scare me away. Deer and bear would have taken off. It did take off once I heard the hunter shots. And there's my account, paypal.me, Blayne Tyler, and there's a link below. Again, I've never run ads or asked people for money. I don't sell things. It's these cameras, these 4K cameras are just way out of reach, and I want to bring you the best video evidence I can. But again, something interesting with the hunters, I'll add that they chased me after this. And I made it to my car, and they were chasing me in their pickups with their rifles in the back and shit. And they cornered me at another part. And I said, dude, I was just in there taking pictures, which isn't a lie. It's just I didn't want to tell them what happened. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for your help.